Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene, and today, as you can see, I will be doing rice porridge. So, guys, I simply put my rice, I'm using a cup of rice, in some water, allow it to come to a boil, strain, and rinse this. In a pot, guys, I've added 2 cups of water. I've added some cinnamon and some salt, guys. Then I'm gonna add to that my wash and drain rice. I allow this to cook for about 15 minutes, guys. I want this to be very soft. Now, after that, guys, I allow it to cool off a bit. In the blender, I've added 100 grams of coconut milk, that's the powder milk. Then I'm gonna add to that my cooked rice, guys, and then I'm gonna blend this until it is smooth. Now, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for being a part of the whimsical family. Remember to like the video, share it with your friends, and of course, leave your comments. After I've done boiling this, guys, this is how it looked, nice, smooth, and creamy. I put this back into a pot, guys, and I stir this continuously on it until it returns to a boil. Guys, look at this, smell good, the cinnamon something, guys, it is so good. Next, guys, I allow this to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Basically, I'm cooking in the coconut milk. Now, guys, if you want to save on time, you can cook your coconut milk with your rice, guys, and then blend it all together. Now, guys, I'm gonna add my perfect sweetener to this, some sweetened condensed milk, guys. I'm gonna add to that some nutmeg, some vanilla, guys, and a tip more cinnamon, guys. I taste this to see if it has enough salt, guys. You can always nice it up how you like it. You can add some nuts to this, guys. Whatever you want to do with it, it's all up to you. Now just look at all of this goodness, guys. Now, family and friends, this is so divinely delicious. I'm so happy that I was able to share it with you. If you prepare this meal in your country, won't you just leave it in the comment? Let me know what you call it. I'll see you next week, guys. Thank you so much for watching.